There are over 50 million crypto holders in the United States, with the number increasing every day. Now, former President Trump used to have a negative opinion on cryptocurrency. However, he's recently changed his tune, and it's possible he could be the first pro-crypto president. Now, what does this mean for the market? What does this mean for Bitcoin? It means it could be widely adopted, maybe even treated as regular fiat currency, meaning you don't have to pay capital gains tax or anything like that, suggested by RFK. But what is really going on here? Will he be the first pro-crypto president? We're going to find out. Welcome to Cryptogiant. So we can see right here, Bitcoin Magazine put out something interesting about what Trump has said about Bitcoin. Let's check it out.
To the nation's 50 million crypto holders, I will support the right to self-custody, and I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
So Trump says that he'll oppose CBDCs, meaning he will not allow the Fed to make their own version of crypto, but instead promote Bitcoin. But is this true? Well, let's take a further look.
That the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA, not driven overseas. I will support the right to self-custody. To the nation's 50 million crypto holders, I say this with your vote. I will keep Elizabeth Warren and her goons away from your Bitcoin. And I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
Also, we can see some red eyes on Elon Musk. Apparently, we got a new Twitter trend where he is supporting, even joining Trump at BTC 2024. So yes, Trump 2024 could mean a huge jump in Bitcoin from support from tech billionaires like Elon Musk. Now we can see from The Independent, Trump says he'll be the first crypto president. But what does that mean for Bitcoin? See, it can mean a lot of big things. He's pitching himself as the crypto president, and he's also saying he'll protect all their assets. He even announced that he'll begin accepting donations in crypto, Doge, and Ethereum, raising $3 million to date, and his team has also been meeting with industry figures on Tuesday, the biggest play by appointing a pro-crypto candidate as his running mate. And J.D. Vance is also pro-crypto, and he's made several crypto-friendly moves during his 20 months as a senator, including the introduction of a bill that would protect cryptocurrency firms and exchanging from being cut off by traditional banks. Now, even though he has promises with leading figures in the crypto industry, he won voters against choosing political allegiances based on a candidate's purported stance on cryptocurrency, arguing that making decisions in this way carries a high risk of going against the values that brought you in the crypto space in the first place. If you see a pro-crypto politician today, it's worth to explore their underlying values and see which side they'll prioritize as a conflict does arise. We can see Bitcoin is bouncing back, so this could mean huge gains for Bitcoin.
Expectations for a Trump victory in November boost hopes for a friendlier regulatory environment for crypto. The former president set to headline the industry's annual conference in Nashville next week, delivering the keynote at the event. Our next guest thinks Trump's endorsement of Bitcoin will give an even bigger boost for the space. Let's bring in Brian Corshane. He's the CEO and founder of crypto investing company DAIM. Brian, great to have you with us. So what are you anticipating will happen here?
Yeah, thanks for having me. And so about a month ago, Trump met with some of the Bitcoin miners, and we think he really got educated on the space. He got educated on how the inner workings happen, about blockchain, and how transactions are verified. And when he goes to speak at this conference at the end of next week, he is going to talk about helping out smooth regulations for crypto. There's been a lot of headwinds in the space. A lot of those came from Gary Gensler. There's been a lot of roadblocks. And you're going to see him come out and say, hey, let's help innovation here. Let's help Bitcoin and blockchain progress.
And Gary really started something huge, because almost everyone in a crypto, whether you're in Bitcoin, whether you're in something else, they see that as a big win in the second Trump administration. And Bitcoin miners and crypto companies were stonewalled but efforts may go public in the U.S., and they may be the biggest winners. Even Bloomberg is taking notice. Now, Trump is also eyeing Jamie Dimon. If you're not familiar with Jamie Dimon, he is the CEO of J.P. Morgan Chase, one of the biggest banks, and he's changed his tune on Bitcoin and crypto. He used to be extremely skeptical, even derogatory on Bitcoin and crypto itself. You ask Jamie Dimon, Jamie was, very negative, and now all of a sudden, he's changed his tune a little bit. Trump gave the answer while addressing his own views on crypto, which have changed dramatically in recent months. Did Jamie change because of Trump? I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments below. Does he want something from Trump, or did he generally see something in Bitcoin that he liked? If we don't do it, crypto, China's going to pick it up, and China's going to have it, or somebody else, but most likely China, and China is very much into it, and that's not going away. So one thing, Trump said he considered Dimon as his U.S. Treasury Secretary. Now, he still has a race to run. There still is a lot developing here, but his new running mate, J.D. Vance, is also pro-crypto, as we said right here. And I think a lot of people are going to be taking a look to see who's in his administration and what their stance on crypto is.
So that people can be in Bitcoin. We hear that you are thinking about Ethereum. These are incredible things. Now, BlackRock is not known as a gunslinger by any means, so you obviously must believe that this may be as an alternative. Is this an alternative in order to be able, because of a deficit, maybe something long-term people should have?
Absolutely. As you know, I was a skeptic.
Yes.
I was a proud skeptic. And I studied it, learned about it, and I came away saying, okay, my opinion 5 years ago was wrong. Here's my opinion today. This is what I believe in today. I believe the opportunity today. I believe Bitcoin is legitimate. I'm not trying to say there's not misuses like everything else, but it is a legitimate financial instrument that allows you to have maybe uncorrelated, non-correlated type of returns. I believe it is an instrument that you invest in when you're more frightened, though. It is an instrument when you believe that countries are debasing their currency by excess deficits, and some countries are.
And you just heard from the CEO of BlackRock. Everybody who's being considered for Trump's administration is changing their tune on crypto. Now, is that because they want something in the administration? Did they generally change their tune? Seems like they were convinced and they did their research. What's your opinion? I'd love to know. And we can see some from people just here on the space in X. Trump always made crypto space moving. Thanks. And we can see that there's a lot of hope and optimism for the future of Bitcoin and also for the future of decentralization based on his comments. So we'll have to see, does he win? Does he deliver? And does Bitcoin go up? These are all pending questions that we would love to engage with you in the comment section below. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. And if you're excited for more news, we are going to be posting more exciting updates on Cryptogiant. That's all for now, and we'll catch you in the next one.